Hi guys, welcome back to my How to Binance TikTok page. And today I'll be showing you how to buy and sell cryptocurrency using Binance Lite and Binance Pro. So now, there are various ways to buy and sell cryptocurrency on Binance Lite and on Binance Pro. On Binance Lite, there's a buy and sell feature, which is really quick and fast. And also there's a convert feature for it to convert from one cryptocurrency to another cryptocurrency. And also you can also use spot trading to buy cryptocurrency using cryptocurrency. So you can use stable coins like USDT or BUSD to buy other cryptocurrencies like BNB, BTC, GAL, ETH. So now all these are in pairs. They are in BUSD pairs. So you can use BUSD to buy them. As you can see here. Well, that's not one good going to that. So to show you how to buy, sell using P2P and using like your Visa card. I'll be making a video on how to use P2P and also how to spot trade in other videos. So now, first thing I have to do is just go to more. That's going to more. Tapping more here shows the services that Binance has to offer. So now you can buy crypto. There's recurring buy, which enables you to buy cryptocurrency without having to log into your Binance app. You just enable it and to keep on buying cryptocurrency using your Binance card. So now you can sell cryptocurrency to your card. And also, I will now show you how to use Binance Lite. So let's jump into it. So buy cryptocurrency. You tap on buy cryptocurrency. If you want to buy cryptocurrency on Binance Pro, you choose BTC. Choose the amount of BTC you want to buy. Let's say 15 GB. So now there's a limit. So you can buy from 15 Great British pounds, or change this to US dollars, so it's more easy for everybody to understand. So let me choose USD. Search USD, so you can search whatever currency so you can see it in your currency. So let's use it. So you can buy from 15 USD to 20,000 USD worth of BTC at a particular period of time. So you can also enable recurring buy here. So if I enable this, it means that I will buying weekly. I will buying 15 USD worth of Bitcoin every Friday at 5 a.m. UTC +1 or whatever time zone you are in. So you can start buying every Friday. By this time that I'm initiating this buy, I will be buying BTC. So that's what recurring buy is. You can make it weekly, you can make it twice a week, bi-weekly, you can make it monthly. So I'm going to disable that. So if I continue, it's going to ask me for my payment method. Do I want to pay with a Visa card? So there are different methods depending on the cryptocurrency you're buying and the currency you're using to buy. There are different methods. You can either pay with your card or pay with your bank account. So once you just let me refresh this. So once you confirm, tap on confirm, it's going to take you to where you put your card details or your bank details and be able to make the buy. So now while you're also here, you can also sell. So now there's a button up here called sell. You see sell here. So if you tap on sell, you choose the cryptocurrency you want to sell. So I want to sell USDT. So now I put the available USDT I have to sell. So let's say max. Let's say max. I want to sell 3.72 USDT. So now to what? So now what do I want to sell it to? So now if I tap here, I want to sell USDT basically. So I put max and then I continue. So now I'm going to sell to card. So if I sell to card, it's going to give me AED. Do you get it now? If I want to change the currency, do you get me? So I tap here, I want to change the currency. So now this United Arab Emirates currency. So let's choose euros, then I swap it back to USD. So now with USD, so now I can only sell between 15 USD to 10,000 USDT. I can sell the 3 USDT that I have because there's a limit because I chose euros. So depending on the cryptocurrency you choose and depending on like how you use it and depending on the limits, there are limits on it. That's what it depends. So that's the amount of USDT you can sell depending on that. So also if you want to buy this quick buy here, so you can just put the amount of USDT you want to sell or buy. Let's say 15, 20, 125, 1,285. So as far as it doesn't exceed the limit, so there's a limit. Limit is shown here from 16.29 USDT to 4,000 USDT. That's the limit that you can sell if you have in your wallet address. I don't have up to that amount, so I can't really make a sell. So I can't really sell it right now. But if you have that, you just have to tap on continue, and you see the prompts, and you're good to go. So let's go back. So that's basically it. Now let's quickly go to Binance Lite and just explore the features on Binance Lite. So now there's also a P2P feature for you to buy and sell, but I'll be exploring that in another video so I can deep dive into P2P and how to use it. So now with Binance Lite, you just have to tap here. You see buy, sell. So if you tap on buy, so buy crypto with your local currency, sell crypto. So it's buying cryptocurrency with your local currency using either your card or your, so you choose the cryptocurrency you want to buy or sell. Let's say USDT. So now you can change the whatever to whatever currency that you want to use. You can use USD, whatever. So you can buy from within 15 USD to 5,000 USD. So you put 15 USD, if you tap on buy USDT, it's going to show you the available options. So there are different methods. So you can pay with ATM, Skrill, or your bank. Then you confirm. Then you put your details, your bank details, or your ATM details, and then you're able to buy cryptocurrency. So up here, there's a sell button. So you can just tap that. So you can switch to sell. So now, depending on the amount that you have. So now, here now you can sell from 0 USDT to 25 USDT. So if you have little amounts of USDT, you can switch to your Binance Lite app so you can be able to sell them. So I can be able to sell my 3.7 USDT. So if I put max, there's no limit here for the amount I can sell. So if I sell to trade on a variable, the system is trying to match to a stable collection. You can try switching to Binance Pro in your account page to try more trading channels. So sometimes you might not be able to trade using this simple method that is on Binance. You will have to use Binance P2P. So that's where Binance P2P comes in. So Binance P2P is available on Binance Pro, and Binance P2P is basically you selling your cryptocurrency to other users of Binance. So it's here, P2P trading. So you just tap that. So you can buy and sell whatever cryptocurrency. You can buy and sell. You can buy and sell USDC. There's a buy for this here. There's a sell here. So you can buy and sell USDC, BTC, BUSD, BNB, ETH, Daya, all using either, if you are selling, you sell cryptocurrency, and then like people put the price that they want to buy from you. So now, if I want to sell now, this person is willing to buy USDT from me at 1 USDT to 1.05 US dollars. So if I want to buy now, that means now if I want to buy, people are going to post ads. So this person is willing to sell to me. So this person is restricted right now. I don't know why it's restricted, but this person is not restricted. So this person is willing to sell for me 1.02. So it was showing restricted sense, but now I can buy because Binance will show you who are available to buy at a certain period of time. So this person is willing to sell for me USDT at 1.0002 US dollars for 1 USDT. So now people have limits. So now the minimum amount you can buy from this person is $200 and the maximum is 2,500. So there's a limit here. So always check the limits when you are trying to buy and sell. And also check the person's completion rate. So there's a 9.9, person meet 99.56 completion rate, and person meet 455 trades. So out of the 455 trades, person has completed 99.56% of them. So this is just a way to check credibility. And person is also verified. There's a verified button here, just to show that the person is person knows what the person is doing, person not is scam. Person is scammer, the person not trying to get your money. So you can do this with other ways. You can buy and sell to people. People post ads and you can buy and sell. If you don't understand how to use P2P, it's very important for you to check the P2P help center so that it gives you a more detailed, you can also see help, what's P2P, how do I buy crypto P2P on Binance app, how do I sell, how do I pay the seller in P2P, how to avoid asset loss. So it gives you a more, listen, for beginners, and then there's an advanced version. So you can be able to know how to use P2P very well. So I can't deep dive into it right now. So basically that's it. These are the features available to you to sell and buy cryptocurrency on Binance. I'll be exploring spot trading in my next video. So please use my referral link so that when you are carrying out this transaction, fees from Binance. Thank you.